Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you have. 3. 5mm USB or Bluetooth headphones. Plug wired headphones directly into the recorder or interface to avoid latency, and choose that device in your OS sound settings. Once done, set input gain low. You will raise it later, so you don't clip when you speak. Make sure phantom power is off for passive headsets. USB bypasses that. This quick setup gets you ready to monitor and record cleanly without complicated routing. Now you focus on levels and monitoring. Lower your headphone volume to a comfortable level, then enable direct monitoring on your interface if available. This gives a near-zero latency feed so you can hear yourself naturally. Next, speak at your expected performance level and slowly raise input gain until peaks are roughly 6 to 12 dB below 0 dBFS. This prevents distortion while preserving headroom. Once stable, use a pop filter and position the mic correctly so monitoring reflects the real. Finish by recording a test take and critically listening through the same headphones you'll use for monitoring. If you notice echo or delay, switch from Bluetooth to a wired connection or enable direct monitoring. Bluetooth adds latency and is unreliable for tracking. If background noise or hiss is present, lower the gain, move the mic closer, and apply a gentle noise gate or high-pass filter in your recording software. If problems persist, swap cables and retry. Often, a bad cable or port causes intermittent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.